Hello, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Let me draw it down a little bit, guys. Okay, so they can see me very well. See that? You see that? You see that? Oh yes, my beautiful people, this Vera TV program in the building. Okay, let me raise it a little bit, guys. Oh yes, good evening, everybody. This Vera TV program in the building. So, I greet you all. I greet everybody, all my real fans, all my real people that have been supporting me. I greet you all. I greet you all. I greet you all. I appreciate you. Appreciate you all. Thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you for being there for me. Thank you. I want to take the help. I want to take the support me. My real people, God bless you. Oh yes, and for the waist train I'm on at the user is very good for the body. So now, so my people, we take carry us come today. So I still need to give now the Ogboge one. This is my Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, if this is your first time, never subscribe. Please subscribe to my Pursue the Enter House TV so that Ogboge things go on for the also start live video. They remain small, my little people, my beautiful people, and me. It remains small so that my Pursue the Enter House TV go far. So that we feel they do live video for them. Many things go on for there. As I said before, this is my Pursue the Enter House TV. This video is for Pursue the Enter because we never feel they do live video for there. So now make and so I beg, please give that video a thumbs up, my real people. Give this video a thumbs up and give your real opinion about this video, my people. So what we want to talk about today is about marriage. When it be say marriage is a thing, when it be say now both man and woman they build them, because there are some people they don't understand marriage. Wetin they just know be say maybe you born for there, or even they marry you this that. No, marriage is a thing that you will use. Well, really important in marriage is understanding, love. If not too love una say it's very good. Love is a beautiful thing. When you be say una love una self, una understanding matters a lot in relationship, in marriage, in anything. Understanding first and love, and make una two be one like this. Nothing no go work for una. Understand me? Anything una do must surely work for una, because una love una self, una understand una self, you know. So anything una do must surely dey well, and you will not go make am. Understand? Some men go dey don say hey, they never make am this one. No, don't kill yourself. You must definitely make it one day. When you have the belief, when you have the trust, when you are the woman there, una do something, una go make am, una go become human being, una go make am, una go dey well. You know why some women go dey don say I no fit follow man suffer, I no fit follow woman suffer. Why your mind dey judge you if your heart clean? If una suffer together, una enjoy, una come dey get money, some responsible man dey, you no go fit still leave you like that. Una go still dey well. But some people dey, some bad friend I make not be everything wey family tell you go take. There are some man when you know it's like nobody they know a real man when God take bless am. Your go use they say, and this one not say take pursue your man or take pursue your wife. At the end you will become cry here and there. Nobody will help you and collect advice for good people like me. I advise women, I advise married men, married women, I advise women, I advise men, boys, girls. They learn from me. No, it's not that I know everything. No, I'm still learning, but at a time we still need to tell our people the truth. What you experience, use and give people, make people still learn so that they will not do mistake, or they will know where they will know better. You understand? It's very, very important. Don't let anybody come dey deceive you or your brother because he hates the girl, or because he not like am. You go say woman when you want marry not be him, the woman not good. Then you really take the action, say the woman not good. No. Or because you toast man, you toast woman, the woman not agree. Maybe your friend come carry and want marry the woman, you want spoil and say because you talk to her, make you not marry her, or make go the spoiler. Or you know say marry to your friend, go back, go the want the shook, so that may you fulfill enter. At the end, you will still be the one to go tell the man, say your wife no good or your girlfriend no good. No, all those things is not going to help. Or you as a woman, you be friend, your friend marry because you like the marriage. You not get like that kind of marriage. You want go tell the friend, you want go tell or you don't use part and find the man no, because some men they're responsible. Some friends they do and well. If they like your man, they hire like this. Oh, they will find where to spoil them so that me you command them, they enter. No marriage is perfect. I have never heard one they say now this marriage now carry Guinness Book of Record. I never hear. So we are still learning every day. We dey learn when it be say now wetin we go dey learn so that we go fit know wetin good and wetin no good. So now that friend go come to say your husband do this one, whereas you not see your husband with man, you go say he's with woman. I mean, you not stand with woman, you go say stand with woman. You not stand with anybody, you go say stand with person. No mind go give if you know your husband number. Again one now, because you know you as a woman. May I just quickly talk this one, may I not forget. You as a woman, you have a friend. And because you they love you, and they give on herself, on details, and they talk about on herself, they talk about on her husband, then you can't carry your husband number, or your fiancé number, or your boyfriend number, you will give your friend. Then one when it happen now, you know when friend and friend they date, as Monica and Lolo take this so. You understand? Tight friend will be say they don't date for childhood, they love themselves, they understand. It can't do that her friend when he married, so she never married. She can't carry because her friend they freely. Her friend can't give the one who never married the husband number. Say sometimes maybe they hear from her this one that when you play now, if you get my husband number, no man, you know, say maybe trust and say no, if you sleep with your husband, this kind of thing. Some friends they do. I'm not lying. Your friend go get you get friend. Your friend go get your husband number. It there be no day. This one happen, croco. He can't give her friend a husband number. Now they hear me so. Give her husband a friend. Give a husband number to her friend. Her friend can't do. He call the husband because say na normal, na normal, na normal. If they call the husband, I know what he do. He call they tell the husband like about your own best friend. Say make your husband cause say woman when they put for not be responsible woman, but Nina a friend, but she just have to say it because she said no, this that. I just want to tell you the truth. Your wife have been I'm not going to call tongue by people. Your wife have been cheating on your behalf, of which you don't know. I just want to pass this information to you so that you will not look like JJC. You don't know your friend will say is going to this place because she's my best friend. I know everything about her. I cannot come here and lie to you. I just called you now. Your wife cheats on you anytime, any day. This is a friend, don't know. Of which this is a friend, not the shit. This friend, not the shit. You don't know it be shit. Talk less of shitter. You know. But just to pursue that her friend away from that place because she never see who even proposed to her. Talk less of put engagement ring for her hand. Why this one don't marry? Sweet and in fact the marriage now. Jealousy called day. This girl called they fight by all means to spoil this her best friend marriage. The last source of life for this man. Thank God when I hear a talk and say some men they get brain, they get sense. They got to use their sense. Because they call this man was too much. So they want to invite this man to a house. So that may see where the rubber on the phone saying and she they romantic. May she for collect her for a friend hand. May she for collect this man for her friend hand. So lucky this man was a man when be say God really na good man. You won't even shit, you know you go shit with. Call this a wife. Say, how come your wife got your friend got my number me? He can say now she give and say no man he just give. Now the wife can say why did you ask? Did she call you? He said yes, she called me. See so things when they talk about you. I give that man. You're a good man. This one a real life story. Because he don't they call and say you they sleep around, of which I know you. We date for some times before I get married to you. I know what you can do, I know what you cannot do. After that one, he talk and finish. He not give a wife, that a friend face. He cause the invite her call me house. The man come go as he read that the girl come they try to the one they romance and they do something. Now Shona say don't do that. I will video you and send it to my wife. Or I will call my wife right now to see the rubbish you are just performing here. What kind of nonsense is that? The man can't show me. Now the man take verse. Go tell you what, say that your friend is not a good friend. Thank God for this girl. She's a girl. Some women say that they are here, therefore, not be all women, they hear word, what did the husband talk, Now this girl just stay do, he just off pack out for that relationship between her and her girlfriend, because she don't know say for your husband to come tell am those kind thing. They no dey trust person finish. Not to say you be your friend, is my girlfriend, is my man friend, you trust am. No, don't you ever trust friends, especially friend when you know you don't dey trust brothers and sisters. Talk like your own papa, your own mama, don't dey trust am. They born you, now you know. Papa, brothers and sisters, una be the same blood, the same mama, now born and now you know. Talk less of outside that way you don't know. Now that girl take pack at. They can't dey run for this girl. This girl can't dey find by all means to spoil the relationship, to spoil the marriage. I mean, now the girl tell and say, I don't need you anymore. Don't you ever come my line again. He said, what did you mean? I know your husband have explained to you. And you know your husband is a shitter. Your husband is this. Your husband is that. I have been did this. I have did that. I wanted to tell you. Whereas, now because he won't go collaborate her friend, husband, the man not give her British face. He not give her chance. He don't know say, her friend, husband, don't go tell her friend everything. But they call the pepper her. Say I can explain. And I say I don't need your explanation. Keep your explanation to yourself. Keep your explanation to yourself. I don't need it. Don't tell me that. Forget about it. I don't want to come close to you. Now what is that girl? Take run with that. Now she take run away from this her friend. The girl come begin to narrate and they go. Now bad person. He and the husband are wicked. This one and that one. The girl can say, I don't give a fuck, I don't care. When nobody talks about you, you are nobody. Now the answer when the girl they give them, they go say, when nobody talks about you, then you are nobody. Whether not true, then whether not true, they talk, whether not liar. I will remember nobody talks about you, then you are nobody. Whether not true, they talk not lie, what lie, you know. Whether na truth they talk, whether na lie or one lie, nobody, it's a fact. Nobody talks about you and nobody. Now the answer when this girl come they give them, and now the girl now the best will be say she get brain. She don't know say this my friend. He take your husband advice quick. But now you will see some of our women out there. Your husband will say, this your friend. I don't want me to follow the way because they don't have character. They don't know the reason why the husband don't want me to work out with that kind of friend. At the end, their marriage can't spoil. It can't destroy. They will not be the person to be crying. Hey. So you have to shine your eye. When you marry, respect your husband, be you are. Respect yourself, more than live on a life. Don't listen to Satan, don't listen to your brother, don't listen to your mother, don't listen to anybody if you know the man is good for you. And respect your marriage, respect your man, let your man still respect you. Love your wife, let your wife love you. And respect, you want to respect yourself and understanding. So women go see them now, because they don't understand themselves. Any small thing go they make them the face, any small thing they go they fight. No. If your man do it, you know, go call her or in order. Or if he sleep, you know when your man take the call, right? Call her, talk to her. You'll say everything will work out 2 years, you don't go here. Because any marriage, any relationship, when third party don't involve, my dear, if you are here if you listen to this voice or this, my pursue the enter has TV. Get sense. Any marriage, relationship, when third party don't involve all the time, is a problem. Problem they already enter. Don't let anybody know how to take it for your house. They say food when person eat for inside house when nobody knows him. You know they narrate person up and down say, na food when you eat, na this food you eat for belle. The food go come with the top fast. I say na rice you eat. Oh my people wanna come na rice you eat. Oh na it be the rice. Don't hear them. No. What you eat for inside your house nobody know except you go out and vomit rubbish. Keep your marriage to yourself. If you don't understand what your man to do, call and sit down, advise them. Say please, what you are doing now is not good. Men, when they shop food for their belly, they always talk them. Except you too, you as a woman, you don't have character, you don't know how to put word. Join her together to explain. Not be only to shout, you the mad, you the crazy, we go fight today, we go kill ourselves. No. If somebody still tell you say your man is cheating, we not men shit. Let your Irish and observe him. So women they don't know how to observe man. Person like me, my man, you're the shit. I don't know. I don't need you to come and tell me. I don't need you to come and carry forward to come and explain to me. Don't tell me. He move his leg when he put for ground, don't know. In fact, you want no man where they shit. maybe e dey on those Facebook internet e sabi am well well, dey check im mood, dey check how e take dey do, you go catch am. If man you get new woman wey dey follow, if you as a woman your eye dey read, you sef nothing dey do whatever, you go cold. E no go hard you to know say this man dey shit. Then you no be to fight, hey, who dey call you or who dey write you, hey, we go kill ourselves. No, my ladies, use your brain. Though Benin say na sense dey take dey kill rabbit wey dey inside broke this pot wey dey break, na another pot wey dey break, and now we dey call am nwayagbo fenora. Na sense dey take dey kill rabbit when e dey inside that broken pot when they put water down all these days. Because if you also use sense kill that rat ready make you knock am, then the dig go break, you go see where run. E don break, but that rat you no go still fit kill am. The rat, if you knock am by force, hey, as I just say you dey run for inside the water, make I just knock am head, go. Immediately you knock that pot will break. If that pot break, that pot go break, my people. Come here, plug this man. That pot go break. Immediately that pot break, that rat go run. You no come know the truth and inner heart of the matter. You come turn mumu. You no come know where you for start, where you for end, my people. So my people, when they follow me, I'll they give una things when I'll take follow my husband. If my husband the shit, you need advice, I will let you know how you will take handle. When it be say your sense you know what they do again, or your husband a person will be say if they do or not, they like to they understand you every day quarrel fight, not fight them. More than talk one on one, you know. And if I don't get children, fight not good for us. When I know they fight or call the cause or because of money or because of waiting or anything, they fight or say, hey, no, call the man in order. If now see your wife they misbehave, call her in order. Say, baby, my wife or my honey, my sweet, call her, advise her, so that she will learn for waiting she don't know. If you don't know how to cook, you love your wife. Teach her how to cook. It's not a bad thing. If you get with your wife, don't know how to do, let her know. Say that's what they do. If you know as a man, it's not a crime. But not the one we call Tom Momo, when they call the laugh up, or they call Tom Momo like they didn't get. When we say the man are just Momo, not be sham. Oh no, there's natural love. We know, not be Momo. So now, so my people, this is my pursue the Enter Hearts TV. Please subscribe and please, my people, may I give you a good news and I don't put another YouTube channel, Vera Comedy TV. When you type Vera Comedy TV, you will see the channel. Now I don't go to do Ogbogeti comedy go for there. Please subscribe, press that bell. Anything that they do for that, I will post video so that we will do live video for there. So Vera Comedy TV is my new YouTube channel. My pursue the Enter Hearts is my channel. This Vera TV program too is my channel. That Vera Comedy TV when I new open, so more subscribe. Then a comedy, boom, 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 boom. Now we're going to give them poo, 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 poo. We're going to go on for them. So please don't forget to subscribe to Vera Comedy TV. If you subscribe, God will bless us. As you do, God will bless you. As you support us, God will bless us. As you support me, God will bless you. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. I love you all. I respect you all. Thank you very much. It's not that I too know the one little one I know now see the talk. God bless you now. Thank you all. So I'm back to end this video. I don't want to make it too long. All right, guys. Bye for now.